I asked you, my audience, what frustrates you most about your voice right now? And well over 100 of you answered, and over half of you said the exact same thing. Notes I used to hit easily are gone. Now, these notes didn't disappear. What is broken is the blend. Your voice has two main gears, chest voice and head voice. Mixed voice is the coordination that lets them work together so you can move through your range without cracking or flipping. Now, when you're younger, that blend happened easier. But after 50, the vocal folds change, the muscle thins, the tissue stiffens, and the bridge between the registers gets wider. The blend stops being so easy, and your voice doesn't gradually transition anymore. It hits a wall. Today, that's what we're fixing. These exercises rebuild mixed voice coordination so your registers connect again. That's how the notes start coming back. Now, grab a straw if you have one, and we'll begin. A regular drinking straw works. If you don't have one, you can purse your lips tight like you're blowing through one. You can also use a straw in water. I like this Dr. Vox. It's essentially a straw in water. We're going to slide through the vocal bridge, that break area, with the straw. The back pressure is going to do half the work for you. It keeps your vocal folds from slamming together or blowing apart right at the transition. It's training wheels for the voice. Start on a comfortable low note, slide up slowly through your bridge into your head voice, your upper register, and then come back down, one smooth arc. Okay, round one. Start with a comfortable low note. Now, slide through your bridge and then back down. Nice and smooth. Let the straw do the work. Good. Pause a moment. We're going to do the same thing, but a little higher this time. Push the top of the arc just a bit higher. Stay relaxed. Don't tense up, but just you'll feel a little more headroom at the top. Here we go. Start on a comfortable note. Slide up. Little higher. Good. Now back down, staying relaxed. Perfect. Pause for a moment. All right. Round three, even higher into your upper register. And the sound may thin out on top. That's fine. That's great. The straw will keep everything together. Here we go. Comfortable note. Go, go. There you go. Now back down. Good. Now we're going to go for the full range. I want you to start on your lowest note for me and go as high as you can and then back down as low as you can. Let the straw do the work and keep it seamless. Here we go. Perfect. That smooth arc that you just did, low to high and back without a break, that's your mixed voice working. Every exercise now will build on that. Most vocal exercises go bottom to the top. You start low and work higher, but the mixed voice lives in the connection between, and carrying head voice qualities down into your middle range can be extremely helpful. For this one, we're going to work top down. You're going to start in a comfortable head voice, not your absolute top, just easy and light. And on the sound coo, we're just going to walk down into the chest voice. So for me, coo, 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 coo. So find a nice, easy head voice. Coo, 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 and just walk it down. Watch that your voice doesn't want to go coo, 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 and grab. Coo, Bring that gentle, light sound down. So go ahead and pause this and try a few of those. Now, in that last exercise, if you feel that bump, that little catch where the voice wants to grab or fall apart, that's not failing. That's your voice showing you where we need to rebuild. We're right on target. Now we're going to add some bite to this with the word K, K-A-Y, and we're going to say it like a whiny kid. K. That bratty quality narrows the space just above your vocal folds, and that narrowing feeds acoustic energy back to your vocal folds and helps them close without you feeling the need to squeeze. So it's a coordination shortcut for finding mixed voice. I'm just going to use this simple scale. So lower voice types, male voices can start with me here. And you'll feel that top go into your mix. I'm not grabbing or pushing on the top. Keep it Bratty. Higher voices, female voices, join us. That's it. Perfect. Those are great to do. Just don't get heavy. Don't squeeze. Let the bratty sound do the work, and you will feel your voice start to connect from the bottom to the top without grabbing or falling apart. Continuing to work from our chest to head voice, just say B-U-H, buh, on a comfortable chest note. Buh. Good. Now, I want you to jump up higher. Same word, but make it nice and light. Buh, buh, buh. Don't push. That upper note being lighter than the lower teaches the voice it can go up without dragging weight up with it. Buh, buh. That weight transfer, that thinning out is where mixed voice lives. I'm going to start with the lower voice types, male voices. We're going to go up an octave. We're going to say ba, ba, ba. That's it. Ba, ba, ba. That's it. Ba, ba, ba. Now, higher voice types, female voices, join us here. Ba, ba, ba. That's it. Ba, ba, ba. I'm not going ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. The key is to keep that vowel the same. You're saying ba the whole way. The B is going to help stabilize everything. It gives a little bit of back pressure, and that vowel is really friendly for the transition. Just work those up and down your range. It's fantastic to build in that coordination. Now we're going to work top down again on, and this is one of my favorite exercises, one, W-O-N. That narrowing, wah, wah, is going to help keep you in mixed voice. We'll start with the lower voice types, and you're going to go one, 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 just like you're talking. One, 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 one. Watch, the voice doesn't want to one. It's not woon. It's one. One, 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 one. That's it. One, 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 one. There's your mix. Higher voice types, females, join us. One, 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 one. One, 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 one. That's it. Good. Go as high as is comfortable. That's it. Good. One more. Don't push these exercises. The balance is the most important thing. Just as they say on guitar that learning to play fast means you play slowly to build the coordinations. In the voice, it's about balance. Work these through your range where you continue to feel balanced. If you feel strain, especially strain, stop, take it back down. Mixed voice, as it comes in, will begin to fill in the gaps in your voice and also give you the coordinations to start singing higher. It's a bit more of a challenge over the age of 50. We just have to approach it in a more focused and deliberate way. Do these exercises 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll feel your bridge start to smooth out within a few weeks. Now, range loss wasn't the only answer in the poll. A number of you said that the voice gives out halfway through the song. Others said breathiness was a problem. And some of you said your vibrato is beginning to suffer. And I will make a video for every single one of those in the coming weeks. So this is the first one. If one of those other answers was yours, it's coming. And if you want to do a deep dive into why your voice has changed and how you can rebuild it, I have broken it all down in my Mature Singers Guidebook, and you can download the full PDF version for free. The link is in the description. And if you would like to be guided by myself and my team and given a series of specific courses and workouts for your voice, well, that's voiceschool.com. There's a link below. And tell me in the comments which of these exercises from today made the biggest difference in your voice. And also subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the next video in this series. And if you want to understand the science behind what we just did, why the voice changes this way after 50, watch this video, Why High Notes Get Harder with Age. We'll talk soon. Take care.